Well, I know she's on Santa's nice list.
Laurel.
You know that.
Yeah.
Well, she has to be. There's no way, because the stuff that she does is certainly not naughty. It's very, very nice. It's amazing what she does because she's helping people out. If you've seen her commercial, I'm sure you have. You've seen her all over the TV. She's doing great things, buying houses, but you do a lot more than just buy homes, don't you?
Well, we try to because, most people would sell their house with a realtor. They don't need other resources from the community or others' support.
Yeah.
And the people who are coming to us really do need they have other issues, they need other support. So whether it's a place for mom to move to because she needs assisted living, or they're hoarders and they need help to deal with their belongings and how important that is to them, or legal issues like inheriting a house without a will.
Yeah, you even take care of that stuff.
Yeah,
right.
Yeah, we work. Every time somebody brings me a new puzzle, I try to figure it out.
Right.
Chain of all trades, I would say.
Yep.
I know that you listed off some challenges and things that people go through. That's kind of throughout the year, but particularly during the holidays, there's other issues that come up.
Yeah, a lot of times it's when the family gets together and realizes how bad things are, right? Maybe live across the country, come home, find out, oh my God, mom is living like this, right? Maybe mom hasn't let anybody in the house all year.
Yeah.
And you find out, or you think your sibling is taking care of things, and you get here and you find out not. And so this is the time of year we'll get calls like that. Oh my God. Or everybody's together and it's time to talk about
Let's stage an intervention.
Yeah.
Trusts, things like that.
Yeah.
This is also a good time for that. We have a book about how to create a trust for you.
Yeah.
Where to go.
What if they put off this estate planning stuff? I mean, because a lot of people like to do that, and that's something that you should not do, even though you might not want to talk about it, right?
Right. I mean, it's more expensive to go through probate than if you had set up a trust, right? Under $5,000 for most people to set up a trust. Most estates are in the $30,000 range for attorney fees and stuff after the fact. And it takes a year, and you don't know that things are going to be handled the way you want them handled.
Got it.
Right?
We're getting a look here. Gary, we're in a very fashionable hat, by the way. I feel like trying to rival yours, which you didn't. But tell us about this. This was a unique property.
Just up the street from us.
Yeah, it's just right up the street from you, which I thought it would be great. And we'll bring you back when we're done with it. This, the family, brother died. Mom had predeceased him. He had to own the house. Brother didn't know what to do.
Mm-hmm.
And so we came along and we took over the whole problem. We're running the probate for him. He's got his money. He's off doing his thing now. And we actually just got court approval to get started on the house.
Oh, wow.
So,
congrats.
Yeah. So that's great.
Well, we can't wait to see a true before and after there would be sensation.
Yeah. But again, nobody had a will and nobody had a trust. So the process took a while. Poor neighbors had to live with that for a while.
That's right.
Got it. All right, I'm sure there's people watching right now, and they may be going through, issues and things like that. They just got a house, they're trying to get rid of a house. How do they call? Just right away, just give you a call? How do they
just go to the website, fill out a chat box, or give us a call there. The phone number is right on the thing.
Yeah.
Talk to Aaron or Taylor, who usually answer the phone. They kind of know what's happening, and they'll send us out, and we'll sit down and talk.
Yeah, because it's not just you. You got a team of people. There's a couple people hanging out over there right now. They're in the wings.
They're on the wings. Yeah. They're also the ones that help you sell the books.
Right. Well, we don't sell the books. We give them away. So feel free to get the books for free, guys. We really want to give those books away and get some resources in people's hands.
A lot more than just buying houses. See,
Yeah,
Laurel does it all. She does it all.
And your hat choice was
not
I loved it.
That's all that matters then, Scott. See, I didn't know for sure, but I had to get a hat, and I couldn't do the black hat.
I thought it was so funny. I loved it. Yeah, so
perfect.
Awesome.
You're the best. Thanks for helping all those people throughout the day. I can't wait to get back and see that property.
Yeah,
kind of the after.
When it's done, when she does it.
Give us a couple months, and we'll be done.
All right,
perfect.
We'll do that. Laurel Buys Houses and does much more. We'll be right back.